Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are excited to share with you an incredible natural remedy for promoting hair growth: carrots. Carrots are not only great for your overall health, but also for your hair. They contain essential vitamins and nutrients that can help accelerate hair growth and improve hair health. So, let's dive into the world of carrots and discover how they can work wonders for your hair. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as beta-carotene, all of which are essential for healthy hair growth. Vitamin A helps in the production of sebum, an oily substance that moisturizes the scalp, promoting hair growth. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, which strengthens hair strands from the roots. Vitamin E improves blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring optimal nutrient supply to hair follicles. Beta-carotene converts to vitamin A in the body and is known to promote hair growth. Now that we understand the benefits of carrots for hair growth, let's look at some easy and effective carrot-based remedies you can try at home. 1. Carrot juice. Hair mask. To prepare this hair mask, you'll need 2 fresh carrots and a blender. Start by washing, peeling, and chopping the carrots into small pieces. Add the carrot pieces to the blender and blend until you obtain a smooth paste. Apply this paste to your scalp and hair, making sure to cover all the strands. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Repeat this remedy once a week to enjoy the incredible benefits of carrot juice for your hair. 2. Carrot and honey hair conditioner. This carrot and honey hair conditioner can help improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of fresh carrot juice and 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Mix them well to create a thick conditioner. Apply this mixture to your hair, from roots to tips, and gently massage your scalp for a few minutes. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This natural conditioner will deeply nourish your hair and add a beautiful shine to it. 3. Carrot oil scalp. Massage. Carrot oil is a fantastic remedy for stimulating hair growth. To make carrot oil at home, grate 2 to 3 carrots and place them in a glass jar. Pour enough coconut or olive oil into the jar to cover the grated carrots. Close the lid tightly and let it infuse for a week. After a week, strain the oil using a fine cloth and transfer it to a bottle. Now, warm a small amount of the carrot oil and gently massage it onto your scalp in circular motions for about 10 minutes. Leave it on overnight and wash your hair the next morning. Regular scalp massages with carrot oil will enhance blood circulation and foster hair growth. 4. Carrot and avocado. Hair mask. This hair mask not only promotes hair growth, but also deeply nourishes and conditions your hair. Mash 1 ripe avocado in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of fresh carrot juice to it. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until you obtain a smooth paste. Apply this mask to your hair, ensuring complete coverage. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. This mask will provide your hair with essential nutrients and help repair damaged hair, leaving you with healthier and more manageable tresses. 5. Carrot and yogurt. Hair pack. The combination of carrots and yogurt creates a powerful hair pack that addresses hair growth issues effectively. Take 2 fresh carrots and boil them until they become soft. Mash the boiled carrots and add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Mix them well to form a thick paste. Apply this pack to your hair and scalp, focusing on the roots. Leave it on for 45 minutes, then rinse with a gentle shampoo. This pack will nourish your hair follicles, reduce hair fall, and promote healthy hair growth. Incorporating carrots into your hair care routine can be a game changer for your hair. These natural remedies using carrots are easy to make, affordable, and highly effective. Regular use of carrot-based treatments will help stimulate hair growth, prevent hair loss, and improve the overall health and shine of your hair. So, what are you waiting for? Give these carrot remedies a try and unlock the secret to strong and healthy hair. Thank you for watching our video on how to use carrots for hair growth. We hope you found the information and remedies helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more natural remedies for various hair and beauty concerns. Remember, Nature has all the solutions we need. Stay beautiful naturally.